Moltbot/Claudebot is trending. Here's the real move. Moltbot, formerly Claudebot, is blowing up because it's not just a chatbot.
It's an AI agent that can run in the background, remember things long-term, and even act proactively. And that's exactly why most people are about to use it badly. Here's the problem: when a tool can do anything, you'll ask it for everything. And get chaos, security risk, and mediocre results. So let's steal a concept from an unexpected place: poker. In machine learning, there's an idea called a subspace. In the book excerpt, the author applies it to poker. Against a specific opponent, you don't try to play every possible style. You pick a narrower slice of the game, a subspace, where you're most likely to win, then you play that slice extremely well. That's the right way to think about Moltbot too. Because Moltbot isn't just answering one prompt. It can keep memory over months, save skills, and run on your machine with broad computer control. That means your choices compound, good or bad. So, how do you choose a winning subspace with an AI agent? Main point #1: don't ask for everything. Pick a subspace. Claim your first job is to limit the agent's game board to a set of tasks it can reliably win. In the excerpt, the author describes playing against a calling station in poker, someone who calls too much. The winning subspace there is: don't bluff early, value bet, only bluff in very specific spots. Narrow strategy. Higher win rate. Now translate that to Moltbot. If you say, "Moltbot, run my business," you've basically invited it into every room of your house and hoped it behaves. A smarter subspace looks like: every morning, collect my meeting notes from one folder, summarize them in a consistent template, and draft follow-up messages for me to approve. That's bounded. It's checkable. It's hard to mess up in a catastrophic way. Takeaway: don't chase maximum capability. Chase maximum reliability in a small lane. Main point #2: work backwards from the moment you'll use it. Claim the best agent workflows are designed backward from the decision you need, then you prepare inputs ahead of time. The excerpt says, before entering a poker hand, you map out the winning subspace, then you deduce backward which hands fit, and you wait for the right moment. The author even gives a non-poker example: if an investor disperses funds mid-year, you plan for mid-year. Here's a vivid Moltbot mini story. Imagine you're job hunting. You don't need an AI that does everything. You need an AI that wins one moment, when a recruiter replies and you have 10 minutes to respond well. So you build backward. The moment recruiter message arrives. The output you want: a short, tailored reply plus next step options. The inputs you prepare: a single doc with your role preferences, your cannot-do list, 3 strongest projects, and your availability. Now Moltbot's persistent memory and saved skills actually help, because it can reuse that context consistently. And its proactivity helps because it can ping you when it drafts something, instead of waiting for you to remember. Takeaway: don't design your agent around features like memory. Design it around a real decision point, then feed it clean inputs. Main point #3: information gathering has a cost. Claim the more your agent connects to, the more you risk exposing, so choose safe observation first. In the excerpt, the author explains 2 ways to gather information from opponents. 1 tells safe because you don't reveal yourself. And 2 conversation powerful but risky because you might reveal information and get exploited. Moltbot has a similar trade-off. The trend context around Moltbot highlights that agents can run with broad access, sometimes on a dedicated machine, and can integrate with messaging apps like Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Discord. That connectivity is convenience. And also exposure. So pick the tells first. Let the agent read from a single folder, not your whole drive. Let it draft messages, but require your approval before sending. Keep it on a separate machine or isolated setup if you're experimenting, so it's not logged into everything. Because the security risk today isn't just one bad message. It's ecosystems, unknown connected things you forgot existed. Agent-style tools make that more real, not less. Takeaway: start with read-only, narrow access. Expand permissions only when the workflow proves itself. The punchline: Moltbot isn't magic. It's leverage. And leverage only works when you choose the right arena. Memorable rule: pick a winning subspace, small tasks, clear boundaries, tight permissions, and you'll get the upside of an AI agent without turning your life into a messy all-access experiment. If you want a part 2, comment subspace and tell me what task you'd actually delegate first.